This video will show you how to go live on a Facebook page. From your screen, you would tap on the Facebook app. When your home page shows up, you want to click on the search icon. From the search icon, you want to type in the name of the page that you're going live on. So just to show you, you will just type it in. Thrifting Atlanta Live pops up. You would click on Thrifting Atlanta Live. From this page, you would still click Thrifting Atlanta Live because you want to get to the admin screen. So on the admin screen, you would see everything that you can do on this page. It shows you the messages, the notifications. You can see the cover photo. You'll see the name, Thrifting Atlanta Live, visit group, and you would see where it says publish, photo, promote, view as. If you do not see those options, that means you have not accepted the admin request. From here, you want to look for create a post. You would click on create a post, and that will bring you to the second screen. On this screen, you want to scroll up until you see live video. And this is what turns on the camera. From this screen, before you click start live video, you want to tap to add a description. Utilizing this allows you to type in any information you want to type in about your sale. It is a great opportunity to tag the name of your business simply by clicking the @ symbol and then typing in the name of your business. For this example, I'll use Black Women in Resale. So this is going to populate all of the businesses, and then you would click on the correct one for your business. You could type in your price point, items priced from $10 and up. You could type in your email address, your shipping information, anything that you want your audience to know about. You want to make sure that you type it in the description. You could even have this already prepared. You can do copy and you can paste it right here into the description. And then the last step is clicking on Start Live Video. So these are the steps to go live on a Facebook page.